What's up everybody, this is Tech Creator. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get Winrar for free in 2020. Before we get into the video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel because it is much appreciated. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Sorry if you are hearing some background noise. There is some construction work going on in the background. In the description, there will be a mega link for the necessary Winrar files. I'm gonna have you visit this page and download the file. And once you finish downloading the file, open the location where the file was downloaded. Open the file location. You should see this folder, this get into pc.com Winrar folder. If you're watching this video, you probably don't have an extraction tool. Now, there is 7-zip. 7-zip is available and 7-zip is free. I personally have 7-zip installed. If you want to use File Explorer to extract the files, you can definitely use File Explorer. All you have to do is click extract here. You will see an extract here button when you right click the Winrar file. So click that button and pick where you want to put the file. Pick where you want the destination of the file to be and you can extract it. But for this video, since I have Winrar, we're going to be using Winrar, okay? We're going to use Winrar to extract it. So we're going to right click on the file. We're just going to right click on the file. And we're going to extract to get into pc.com Winrar 5.71. That's what you can be using Winrar to do. That's simply how you can use Winrar to do it. Now, this is what the extracted folder should look like. Let me just zoom in for you. This is what the extracted folder should look like. This folder that I've just clicked on. Now, you're going to click on this Winrar folder here. After you've clicked that. And you will see the Winrar setup. You will see the Winrar setup for a 64x64 framework computer. You can always go online and get the 32-bit version if your computer is 32-bit, and you're just gonna install it. So as you see, I've installed it. I already had it installed, but I'm just gonna install it again for the purposes of this video. And it's going to take you into this folder as soon as you finish installing it. So now that you've installed it, you're going to click on the Winrar shortcut. The Winrar shortcut is inside the file. So we're going to click on it and we're going to drag it to our desktop. So now the thing is that if you click this Winrar file for open file location, it will just take you to this folder. And we don't want that. We want to go to the Winrar folder itself. So we're just going to go back to our extracted folder and we're going to click on crack. Now in this crack folder, we need to take this rawreg.key. We're going to take this and put it in the file directory of Winrar itself. So for that, just click on Windows C. Click on Windows C. Click on Program Files. Scroll down to the W section. And Winrar is normally at the bottom. So just click on Winrar. On Winrar, just paste the key. Make sure you press replace the file in the destination. That is very important. And once you finish that, you should be done. You can close out of any other application and click on Winrar. So now whenever you click on Winrar, you will see that it won't give you any notifications about whether there's a few days left, there's 30 days left. Forget about that crap. It's free and you've activated it. So you guys, this was the Tech Creator channel. I'm Cypher and I have really enjoyed sharing this method with you. Peace.